Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency Polkadot. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description, you save another 20% so that you actually pay 0.08%. At first you do registration, therefore I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go into the menu and click here on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit some fiat money, therefore you just do it by clicking here on this verify button. And if you want to increase your limit, you can do address verification. If the identity verification is done, you are able to deposit some money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer or credit card, but you can also use crypto by clicking here. Therefore, you can, for example, deposit some Bitcoin. After, you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer and on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use them and do the bank transfer. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. If the money has arrived, you can click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. There you see how much money you have. At first your fiat money and then your cryptocurrency money, and if the money has arrived you can check it here, in my case euro. Now we can start buying Polkadot, but to buy Polkadot we first need to buy Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy Polkadot. So just click here and search for Bitcoin, then you click here on trade and choose your local currency trading pair. In my case it would be Bitcoin Euro. Then you come to the trading view. Here you just have to scroll down, click here on market, and there you just type in how much money you want to invest. You can also use this adjustable bar to define how much money of your available euro balance you want to use to buy Bitcoin. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After, you go back into your spot wallet and now you can use your Bitcoin to buy Polkadot. Therefore you just search for DOT and here you click on trade and use DOT to Bitcoin. Now you can use your Bitcoin to buy Polkadot. Therefore we just scroll down again and here you can define how much Bitcoin you want to invest in Polkadot. You can also, like I said before, use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available Bitcoin you want to use to buy Polkadot. If this is fine, you just click here on buy Polkadot and that's it. If you want to sell your Polkadot, you just go to the right side and click here on sell Polkadot. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.